Hello everyone. So we will talk about our project for managing machine learning projects. So the problem we are trying to focus is to create an AI model that will capture the video input of sign language hand movement and then will provide the English text as an output. So why we are considering this to be an attractive opportunity? First one, is there a problem? Yes, there is a problem because if we know someone who is maybe for deaf, then we don't normally know the sign language and it is very difficult to communicate with them. Also, can ML solve this problem? Yes, if we can train an ML model with video input and if we provide sufficient data to the ML model, then we can have the output as English text from that ML model itself. And does someone care? Yes, as per WHO, 70 million people in the world are deaf or dumb, and having this model handy will help in creating an inclusive environment for people struggling with those disabilities. Now coming to DM business understanding. So first we are defining the problem. So who will be our target user? Target user will be people interacting with deaf dumb people on day-to-day basis. What is the problem? People who are not well versed with the hand or sign language movement. They face difficulty in understanding people with hearing or speaking disabilities. Why it matters? A real-time translator model would be really helpful, not just during the face-to-face conversation, but also during the video conferencing as well. In current state, we currently use the sign language on the written communication to communicate with the deaf mute people. And to define the success for this model, so expected business impact will be, as sign language is an universal language, right? A model can be used widely and has a potential of generating future revenue for the recurring for the company building the AI model. And metric we can use as the outcome for reduction in communication time with deaf dumb people and also increasing the inclusivity of them in the workplace. And output may be the MAC of predicted text output as compared to the actual message conveyed by the sign language. Then define factors that might be potentially relevant for this model are maybe the finger size, then finger movement or hand movement, along with that the hand texture and color. Now coming to the solution validation plan. So as an input we will take the finger size, finger movement, hand texture and everything, and we will provide those input to the ML model, and output can be the English text whatever the model will generate. And we will train the model with sufficient number of input observation by varying finger size, varying hand texture and everything. And we can provide the output values as well or output target metrics as well for the ML model. And how we will execute this iterative experiment on the model. So as we know, right, we can take the information from the internet as well because sign language is already predefined. So we can feed the model with the English alphabet per se or maybe common words that we use or some simple sentences in one, and slowly we can build the model. And whenever we will use the model for any new user, maybe we can add those users into the training dataset to get the model up to date. Now ML design, from design itself we need to do or deploy the model in the device directly so that customer or user can use in a real-time manner. And as we already have predefined sign language, so we don't have to train the model in online fashion. We can create a batch kind of thing and we can train the model in a batch-wise fashion. And as we require the latency rate to be less for this model as it is in real time, we will be using the online prediction. And some potential risk we can see, suppose the training is the serving skill. So the finger and hand movement used to train the model might be in good lighting condition, along with that there there is no background objects as such for the video or for the camera to capture. Having said that, in real life, the lighting might not be that good and background stuffs might be there while recording or while capturing the input. Then data drift as well, we can see as some people we can see having tattoos in their finger, or some people will have ring in their finger and they can deviate the model prediction. Concept drift, we know that with the upcoming generation, means new words are getting added in the vocabulary, English vocabulary, and so we might need to retrain the model to include those wordings as well. And latency, with the increasing number of data or input data or data in the pipeline, it might increase the latency rate, which will falter the model. So we would need to monitor the model and we would need to make necessary optimizations whenever it is required. Thank you.